guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought we could do a Pretty Little Thing haul. So I picked quite a range of stuff and accessories, mainly from their shape range but also from just their normal items. It's kind of date night sort of vibe, but also just general stuff I liked really. But I'll link it all down below. These items were very kindly gifted to me by Pretty Little Thing, but it's not sponsored. I picked them all myself and I make my money through commission on the affiliate links. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing I got is a pair of earrings. Now on the model, these looked like they didn't weigh much and they looked really just kind of funky. And to be fair, they are very funky and they're not that heavy, but they have a bit of weight to them, but they are huge. Like, I don't know, they must have looked this big on the model anyway, but there's just something bigger about them than I thought. But I weirdly love them. I just think they'd look really sassy with my hair, with like a nice going out outfit. They're a little bit crazy and they are very gold, but I just really liked them. They're just, you know, fashion earrings, aren't they? And you never know, I might get some wear out of them if they don't hook onto my hair. You know what, I'm gonna put them on. So they are a little bit weighty, but I kind of love them. They're a little bit crazy actually. I'm not sure, I wouldn't wear them all day, but I could definitely wear them for like an evening out if they went with the dress. They kind of have a very extra vibe about them, but I kind of like it. Let me know what you think, be honest about them, and I'll link them down below if you guys like them. But I mean, they're a little crazy, but so am I. So it kind of, I can just see them in my camera, like little viewfinder bit, and I'm like, whoa, all I can see is these gold like knots, which is the snake. Right, we'll just hide those. So the next thing I got is a pair of shoes. Now, these are unusual. I just saw them and my mum actually was the one who was like, oh, you have to get those, they're so unusual. I hope I can wear them. They're a little bit funky. I got them in a size 6 because I'm normally like a 5.5, but in boots I thought, you know what, I'll size up one just to make sure. So they're cream and they're corduroy and they're just all round a little bit crazy. So they're like thigh highs with like this fluff going on. Like, look at that. That's going to be nice in winter, but you cannot step in a puddle in these. Like, these are like velveted corduroy and they're kind of a bit crazy. They are pointed. Yeah, that's I don't know what else to say about these. They're just a bit crazy thigh-high boots, but I thought they might look quite cute with a mini skirt, because I also got in this haul, I'll show you it, where did I put it? Here it is a corduroy mini skirt, but now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, maybe the colours are wrong. So I'll have to put this outfit on for you in a second so you can see what it looks like, if I can get it out the bag. So this is the skirt I liked. It was just a nice cute sort of, I think they called it oatmeal. I think that's what they said. Stone actually, I don't know where I got oatmeal from. But it's just like a stretchy cord skirt. I don't know, was it from their shape range? No, I think this was just their normal range actually. And I just thought that might look quite cute together. But it might be kind of Instagram cute, not practical cute. So I'll have to put it on and see what we think. But I just loved the boots. I don't even know why. There's just something a bit wacky about them, which I was like, yeah, why not? So that's the shoes. Now these look rather interesting to get on, so we'll see how they fit. Oh, actually, it's easier than I thought. Oh. If Cinderella was a modern day cowgirl, I don't really know. I'm not sure they're gonna go with the skirt because my leg's not exactly long enough, so I don't know if this centimetre of skin counts as enough to... I think they're just too different in colour, I'm thinking. So I'll probably wear these like with jeans. I don't know what to wear these with. Let me know if you think these are just a lost cause. How do I, wait, I'm gonna get the foot thing out. Yeah, I'll have to play around with these boots. They're very comfortable, but I have no idea what I'd wear them with. Whoop. Nearly. Yeah, that's one thing you guys probably didn't know about me. I have really fat calves, so especially with boots, they're really hard to zip up, but these ones go on. Wait, am I meant to fold them over maybe? Oh, maybe they're not meant to be as long as I'm making them. Ooh. I think they're meant to be folded over. I look like Puss in Boots' girlfriend in the snow. Let's like fold these over. Ugh. I don't know what to wear these with. But I like the skirt. The skirt's quite cute. It's a little bit big around the waist, but with a belt it might be cute. It's not too tight under my bum, so I can get away with wearing it without worrying that it's going to just ride up. What do we reckon? These boots don't go with the skirt. I think that's what I reckon. But they might go quite nicely with jeans. Let me know what you think. God, this pose right here looks a bit Austin Powers-y, doesn't it? Right. I don't think it's a look, so let's move on to the next. The next thing I got, I like looking smart, and so I'm always drawn to pinstripe. Now this isn't like office wear smart, this is just like kind of like smart sexy, if that even is a category, but that's how I dress, so we'll go with that. Oh, it's got the fancy tag on it. I find those tags really funny. So it's this tie-up dress. It looks quite big for an 8 actually, but I'm sure it'll fit. So it's just got a nice lace up front, and then it's quite darted around the back. I think this was from, yeah, this is the shape range. So when I say it looks a bit bigger, it just means it's got more space for the curves, which is always great. But I just really liked the pinstripe, and I thought it would be really cute for summer as kind of like a casual, funky dress. But we'll see what it looks like on. It might work, it might not. What, it's reminding me of a sport uniform. What sport wears this? It's not, I don't know, I think it's one of the batting sports. I don't know. Let me know if this reminds you of a certain sport, and let me know in the comments, because I cannot remember. But I'll go throw it on and we can see what we think. Okay, I absolutely love this one. It's got a really unusual neckline on it. It's kind of like a cardigan on top of a dress, if like the way it has these capped sleeves, which I really, really like. I like the lace up, and it just hugs me beautifully. I always say with shaped dresses that they look like they're going to be a little bit big, and I put them on and they're just made for me. Like, it's so perfectly fitted to me, like with all these darts above the bum. I think it fits. It just hugs everywhere right. It's not baggy above my bum. It's not loose around my waist, so I really like the fit of it. A little bit on the sheer side, but white normally is, I find, so I'll just wear good underwear under it, and it'll be fine. I mean, in the summer, I think it's a really cute dress, and I really like the pinstripe design, so maybe I'll look into getting the black and white stripe one. They have like the reverse print as well, so no, I really like the fit of it, and I like all the darting. Like, they really have brought it in at the waist, which I just think is perfect. So no, love this one. So the next thing I got, I literally love burgundy, and this was in their shape range, and it's just a really sweet velvet top, and they do it in a few other colours, but I thought I would just get one for now, see how it fits, and then get all the other colours, because I think I'm going to love it. So it's just this tank top, but it's got a square neckline, if I can move all the tags. So it just looks like this, but look at that red. Like, that with a pair of jeans on Valentine's Day, if you're going more casual, would be beautiful. Like, it's kind of like a ruby red, but it's not very structured. It's quite flimsy, but I think it's going to fit quite nice. This is from their shape range, Yarth, and I think, I can't remember what other colours they did it in, but I think one is kind of like a nudie stone. But I'll link them down below if I can find them. I just fell in love with this, like, look. So I'll go put this on with a pair of jeans, and you guys can see what it looks like. But I just thought that tucked into like a nice belt, kind of what I'm wearing right now, like tuck that into my belt with a nice pair of jeans. I don't know, I just really like it. So I hope it works really well, but we can put it on and find out. So I think this is now my new favourite top. It fits beautifully, and I love how it just fits. I love the material of it. I kind of like that the shape of the bottom is actually rounded, so you can see a little bit of skin either side, but you can kind of tuck in the front and the back, and then it's like kind of bodysuit-like. I don't know, I just love the square neckline and everything about the fabric. Like, it's such a beautiful colour. No, I actually love it. Let me know what you think, but I think it's time to get this in a few more colours. It just fits so beautifully, and it really accentuates the curves, especially being velvet, the way like the light sort of makes it look. So no, I love this. I think it's a really nice sort of tank top. I'll definitely get some wear out of this one. So it's a yes. So the next thing I got is kind of like just a basic wardrobe essential. I'm sure I have hundreds of them already, but you know when you just aren't feeling any of your black tops, so you decide to get another black top because it looked nice on the model? I did that. So it's just a really nice black crop top. It's kind of ribbed. It looked really lovely on the shape model, so I was like, I'll try it. It might fit quite nice, you know. It's the right sort of length to wear a bra underneath, and it kind of comes cropped but not too cropped, because I find some of those like sport bra-y type tops always sit like 1 inch higher than I want them to. I like how they look in the mirror, but I just feel uncomfortable when I'm sat down. There's nothing wrong with how I look when I'm sat down. I just feel more comfortable in one this length. But I just really liked it, and yeah, it's kind of just a staple, isn't it? And it's made out of a nice ribbed stretchy material. So I'll put this one on, but I'm hopeful it's going to fit nice. So this fits exactly how I wanted it to. I just think I should have gone for a 10 in this one. This is the 8, and it's just a little bit tight. So you can see it's, you know, giving me a lovely medieval cleavage going on right now, because it's kind of like a corset. But I love the shape of it, and it's kind of just a really supportive, just like tank top to wear around. But I think it looks really cute with jeans or like denim shorts. But yeah, I think I'll go for a size 10 next time in this type of top. I just didn't want this bit baggy, but I think a 10 would just give me all round a bit more breathing space, let's say. But no, I really like this one, and I think it will stretch. So I'm going to stick with my 8 for now, but I think if I get the white one, I'll go for a 10. But no, I like it. It's just a basic sort of crop tank top, but I've been meaning to get one because I have like a sports bra-y one, but I don't like wearing it because I wish it had like an extra inch, and this is literally the perfect length because it just comes in where my waist is. So it's the perfect length. So I really like this one. So the next thing I got is a dress. So this is a shape satin wrap dress. So satin I always have to be careful with, especially coloured satin. It can cling to the wrong areas, but it can also look just fabulous. So I thought this would be stunning for like any date night really. It doesn't even have to be Valentine's Day, or it doesn't even have to be a date night. Like go out with your friends, it's just gonna look so cute. Or like, I would say clubbing, but satin is not the one to spill a drink down. But I just really liked it. I just thought it looked really cute on the model, and I think this was a shape one, wasn't it? Yeah. But yeah, it's just really cute. It's got like a slit on one side where it wraps, and it's got a crisscross neckline, which I think is always flattering on the chest. So yeah, I really liked the colour of it as well. So we'll see what this one looks like on. This one would have to get decreased. I think just hanging it up should do that, but it's just a little bit creased and a little bit on the loose side, but it's kind of really nice that it's loose, if that makes sense. Like minus the creases, I think it's just like, it just hugs really lightly the body, like nothing's too tight. So no, I really like this one. I probably definitely wouldn't wear the bra I'm wearing with it. I don't think it's not got any support in it, so I probably wouldn't go braless, but I think I have better bras to wear under it than a black one. But the actual shape of the dress I think is really nice. I love the asymmetric bottom, the way it just comes up on one leg, and I like how it all kind of goes into one side. So I really like the shape of it. I just need to kind of give it a bit of a revamp, get the creases out, work out what to wear underneath it, and then we're good to go. But this is a very cute outfit, I think. I feel very comfortable in it, but also kind of sexy because it does actually hug everything. Let me know what you think. Okay, we are finally at the last item I got, and my earrings, they're still in, still looking pretty. Do let me know what you think. Like, I feel really sassy with wearing them, so I think if you guys are like, no, they look good with your hair, they look fine, I'll wear them. But if you guys are like, no, they're too much, then I might turn them into something else. I don't like wasting things. There's one thing I've been planning on doing for ages, getting an old mirror and covering the edge of the mirror in bling, like broken bits of jewelry, beads, like bits of chain, studs, and just making the most extra mirror you've ever seen. And I feel like these would actually sit quite nice on the mirror, but I'll see what you guys think first. So this next thing I got is a shape denim jumpsuit. Now this might drown me, it might look amazing, but I really liked it. And you can adjust the zip because, let's be honest, I'm never gonna zip it up that high. So you can have a little bit of boobie out. It's long sleeve, there's belt buckle holes so you can wear a belt with it, so it will kind of look like you could break it up into like a shirt and jeans, but they match perfectly, and I'm for that. I like that. And then the legs, they're kind of like more straighter cut than skinny, but you could fold the bases, and I think they're going to be quite nice fitting around the hips and bum. But there's no point saying that. I'm literally just showing you what looks to be a curtain. So I'm going to put my body in it, and then we can see what it looks like, and you guys can let me know what you think. But I just thought it looked really cute on the model. It was kind of like a boiler suit type vibe, and I was like, oh, that looks cute. But whether I'll actually wear it is another thing, but we're gonna try it. So I actually love this one so much more than I was thinking I would. Like when I started putting it on, it was a little bit baggier than I was hoping for. And then when I actually like got it on, I just feel so cool in it. Like I really like how it fits. And the top of it, it's kind of like pilot-y. I feel like a pilot. I'm not a pilot at all, but it just, I don't know, like it's just really funky. Like the legs, they're kind of baggy. They're quite stretchy. It fits, you know, it fits nice on the bum. It's a little bit big. A belt might be nice, but the actual top part, I just think it's gorgeous. Like, I just love it. I feel really sassy in it. And I've zipped it down to there. It can go all the way up, so it can actually be a very practical work suit. Like doing up my house, DIY, but looking cute whilst I do it. So no, I really like this. Let me know what you think, but I'm gonna make this work. I just feel really cool in it. Yeah, no, I love this one. Let me know what you think, but I just feel like the top, it's cute. I like it. I love all-in-one like jumpsuits. Anything denim that's unusual, I love it. So no, I really like this. Love the pockets as well, so yes. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got. They'll all be linked down below so you can check them out and have a look at them yourself if you might want them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. All my social media is down below as well. I do have a Patreon, another channel all about rocks and fossils because aren't they cool? And yeah, an Instagram. So check that out if you'd like. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.